大家好，欢迎你们来到我的视频。如果你们对我的视频有兴趣，别忘了订阅哦。There are a few ways to say unexpected or unforeseen in Chinese. In this video, we have listed at least 10 ways to say this. One of the common Chinese words used is liao. This HSK Level 3 Chinese word here means to expect or to anticipate. Another Chinese phrase is 想到. This is a HSK Level 2 phrase, which means to think of, to call to mind, or to anticipate. When these phrases are negated with may, etc., the meaning changes to unexpected or didn't see something coming. 10 different ways to say unexpected in Chinese. Number 1, 原本以为 or 原以为。原本以为他会考上大学，但是他却落榜了。原本以为他会考上大学，但是他却落榜了。原本以为他会考上大学，但是他却落榜了。We thought he would be admitted into the university, but unexpectedly he did not. Number 2, 没想到。没想到他竟然是个伪君子。没想到他竟然是个伪君子。没想到他竟然是个伪君子。I did not know that he is actually a hypocrite. Number 3, 料不到 or 没料到。没料到他会做出这么丢人的事。Or you can say 料不到他会做出这么丢人的事。没料到 or 料不到他会做出这么丢人的事。没料到我料不到他会做出这么丢人的事。I did not expect him to do such shameful things. Number 4, 谁料他早上还好好的，谁料下午却进了医院。他早上还好好的，谁料下午却进了医院。他早上还好好的，谁料下午却进了医院。He was fine in the morning, but unexpectedly he was admitted into the hospital in the afternoon. Number 5, 令人意外。他的公司破产了，真是令人感到意外。他的公司破产了，真是令人感到意外。他的公司破产了，真是令人感到意外。His company went bankrupt. It was really unexpected. Number 6, 谁知本来想去日本旅行的，谁知忘了更新护照。本来想去日本 旅行的，谁知忘了更新护照。本来想去日本旅行的，谁知忘了更新护照。I wanted to travel to Japan, but unexpectedly I forgot to renew my passport. Number 7. 岂料，我以为家里没人，岂料屋内却出现一个男人。我以为家里没人，岂料屋内却出现一个男人。我以为家里没人，岂料屋内却出现一个男人。I thought there wasn't anyone in the house, but unexpectedly a man came out from nowhere. Number 8. 谁能想到？谁能想到，一个没有大学文凭的人能够成为大企业的行政总裁？谁能想到，一个没有文凭的人能够成为大企业的行政总裁？谁能想到，一个没有大学文凭的人能够成为大企业的行政总裁？ Who would have thought that a person without a college degree could become the CEO of a large company? Number 9. 万万想不到，我万万想不到他会说这么多种语言。我万万想不到他会说这么多种语言。我万万想不到他会说这么多种语言。I did not expect that he could speak so many different languages. Number 10. 整料，刚把车洗干净，整料却下了一场大雨。刚把车洗干净，整料却下了一场大雨。刚把车洗干净，整料却下了一场大雨。Just had the car washed and it rained unexpectedly.